Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Verify TV1 Plus input mode and phone output options so you don't waste time. Plug in the HDMI adapter or connect to the TV's Chromecast/AirPlay device. If using wired, power the adapter if it needs external power. Once done, switch your TV1 Plus to the matching input, and on your phone, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when wireless casting is required, making sure OS updates are installed for compatibility before continuing. Now connect. For wired, plug the phone into the HDMI adapter, then to TV1 Plus, and select that HDMI input. Your phone should mirror instantly. For wireless, open the phone's Cast or AirPlay menu, choose the TV1 Plus device, and accept the pairing prompt on the TV when it appears. Make sure to adjust display orientation and resolution in your phone settings if things look off, and route audio to the TV1 Plus so video and sound stay in sync while you test playback. Finish by playing a short clip to confirm video and audio are working on TV1 Plus. If you see lag, stutter, or no image, first restart the phone, the TV1 Plus, and the router. Often that clears network or handshake issues. If wireless keeps failing, switch to a wired HDMI connection to isolate the problem and make sure adapters are powered and firmware is current. If problems persist, try a different casting app or another phone to determine whether the issue is the phone, the TV, or the network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.